Is the Edelweiss Life Bharat Savings Star Plan really a smart savings choice or just another well packaged promise? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. This is an individual, non linked, non participating savings life insurance product. Some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life insurance cover to safeguard your family's financial future. It supports long term goals by offering guaranteed income for up to 40 years. It begins paying regular income as early as the end of the first month. It aids financial planning by allowing income to accrue and compound when not required, with the flexibility to withdraw partially or fully during the policy term. It enhances liquidity by enabling you to advance a portion of future income and receive it as a lump sum earlier during the policy tenure. So some of the benefits are income benefit, maturity benefit, and death benefit, which will differ based on the benefit structure you have opted for. So some of the advantages are: the maximum amount loan available is capped at 60% of the surrender value. All the benefits offered under the plan are guaranteed, and the accrual of income benefits and the option for advanced withdrawal provides added flexibility. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some of the disadvantages of this policy are: regular payouts may encourage spending on discretionary expenses rather than disciplined investing, and choosing annual income payouts limits the scope for compounding and long-term wealth creation. Despite being guaranteed, the benefits offer limited value due to low returns. So the sum assured is insufficient due to inadequately covering long-term financial needs. So these are some of the drawbacks of this policy that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 40-year-old female has opted for this policy with a 20-year policy term and a 12-year premium paying period, paying an annual premium of 40,000 rupees. So the sum assured under the policy is 4 lakhs and the deferred income option is selected. Upon completion of the premium payments, the policyholder receives an annual survival benefit of 56,232 rupees for the next 7 years, followed by a maturity benefit of 4.8 lakhs at the end of the policy term. This cash flow structure results in an IRR of 4.60% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Since this return is lower than the prevailing inflation rate, the Edelweiss policy fails to serve as an effective long-term investment. The deferred income option itself delivers modest returns, which would be even lower under the immediate income option. Additionally, the sum assured remains inadequate to meet meaningful protection needs. So furthermore, the regular income offered by this policy is not inflation adjusted, leading to a steady erosion of its real value over time. So now we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need. Let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately due to an alternative approach. But we are going to use same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So in the previous example, the sum assured was 4 lakhs, which is below the IRDAI prescribed minimum of 5 lakh life cover. Accordingly, for this comparison, the sum assured is considered at 5 lakh. A pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 5 lakhs can be purchased at an annual premium of approximately 5,200 rupees for a 20-year policy term with a 10-year premium paying period. This leaves us with 34,800 rupees per year available for investment. Since the earlier example involved a 12-year premium paying term, the full 40,000 rupees is invested during the final 2 years to maintain parity in total outgo. The investment component can be aligned with the investor's risk profile. So conservative investors may choose debt-oriented instruments such as the public provident fund, while aggressive investor can consider equity-oriented mutual fund schemes. Over time, the accumulated corpus is shifted to an instrument delivering an assumed annual return of 7% to generate periodic withdrawals comparable to the payouts offered under the Edelweiss Bharat Savings Star Plan. So here, under the equity mutual fund scenario, the pre-tax accumulated value works out to be 9.52 lakh. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus stands at 9.02 lakh. This amount, when reinvested at 7%, supports annual withdrawals and results in an IRR of approximately 8.24%. So if annual withdrawals are deferred, the overall returns would be even higher, offering significantly greater flexibility to align cash flows with actual financial needs. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Bharat Savings Star Plan worth it or not? So this policy provides regular income payouts either either as an immediate or deferred basis depending on individual preferences. So while these payouts are guaranteed, the return potential remains unappealing, and the sum assured to be insufficient to adequately support a family's long-term financial needs, and it also has a high agent commission. So return analysis indicates that the policy is a low-yield product. The income payouts are not inflation adjusted, and moreover, regular withdrawals dilute the power of compounding. The earlier the withdrawals begin, the lower the overall return. Consequently, for individuals aiming for meaningful wealth creation or robust life insurance coverage, the Edelweiss policy may not be a suitable option. Rather than depending on insurance products for regular income, a more effective approach is to build a diversified investment portfolio aligned with one's risk appetite, financial goals, and investment horizon. The strategy offers greater flexibility and better potential to meet changing financial requirements over time.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.